Today, we replaced the display assembly on a MacBook Pro 13-inch 2022 with the M2 chip. Safety first, power off, wear an ESD strap and eye protection, and keep screws organized. Remove the bottom case screws and lift the lower cover to expose internals. Disconnect the battery connector now to prevent short circuits before any cable work. Carefully unlock and disconnect the display ribbons and camera cable using a spudger to lift each connector. Remove hinge screws and lift the old display assembly away. Then place it on a soft anti-static surface. Place the new display, align hinge posts, and loosely fasten the hinge screws. Reconnect each display and camera cable. Then lock the ZIF connectors and verify cable routing. Reconnect the battery connector and confirm it is fully seated before reassembly continues. Power on and run quick checks: backlight, webcam, microphone, and lid movement. Tighten hinge screws to the manufacturer's torque shown on screen. Then reinstall the bottom case screws. Dispose of the old assembly responsibly and run a 10-minute functional test. If unsure, consult a certified technician.